Malab! Good morning.
Strawberry topping.
Strawberry topping.
Ito si Danny Boy, oh. Tingnan mo na naman.
Strawberry topping, topping Tito Dan.
Wow naman talaga si Tito Danny.
Your chocolate topping.
Chocolate Tito Dan, strawberry topping.
A little bit.
Of chocolate strawberry.
Kayo ha, wala kayong support sa diet ha?
I might try strawberry actually.
A strawberry.
Yeah.
Yeah, isa ay, strawberries na sa kanya.
Is that one, Shannon?
Yes.
That looks fantastic again.
His airplane is there? Okay, just leave it, Baba. That's alright. Someone will get it. It's okay. Gumawa kami ng mga airplane, paper airplane kahapon. Tapos meron si Zach, meron si Kuya. Kaya Kuya, nandun na sa roof. Kasi lumabas siya kanina. Nag-airplane siya dun. Nandun sa roof yung kanya. Kasi ang ganda ng aking airplane, ha?
Ganda talaga ng airplane ni Tita Ray.
I think so. I think Daddy's on the roof. Where's your airplane? On there? Okay.
Ito na kay Dan, guys.
Who will get it?
Nuts.
I'm not tall enough, Zach.
Instagram.
I'm not tall enough.
Instagram.
That's why you gotta eat. So you grow.
Baba,
Tita Ray, Instagram niya ang aking ano. Kasi
Oh, Char.
my airplane's
may strawberry syrup siya.
Oh, because she can't go on Instagram, babe. Because of her phone.
It's limited.
Ah.
Yeah. Siya lang nagsabi na mag-Instagram.
sabi niya, it's
Kaya
good
nga
for
eh.
Instagram.
Marunong yan siya sa mga Instagram na ganyan.
Kuya, what do you want on your pancake, Kuya?
strawberry.
Instagrammable yung ano mo, babe. How
Strawberry
lucky are you? Sabi ni Mana ito na yung kanya kasi maglo-long drive. Oo. Holly, what is that? You eating strawberry, Baba?
Yes, what do you want?
Dad, your box is getting wet.
Strawberry as well?
Strawberry. Strawberry topping.
Okay. How about you, Kuya? Chocolate?
No, strawberry.
The pancake, oh. Ano nga tong ulam mo, babe? So, meron kang poached egg na naman.
And bacon and cheese.
Bacon and cheese. Ikaw, ha?
Nakalimutan ko yung second.
It's beautiful.
Kasi Manay, walang suporta sa diet natin. May pancake,
How nice is that? Thank you.
Say, Holly.
Masaya na siya, Manay. Happy, babe?
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Thank you, Manay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
You got it, Kuya?
Yes.
What do you want,
You got your airplane. Go grab it.
Look at the wind outside.
I know, it's very
You
windy.
hear the rain last night?
Yeah. no,
Kaya
that
yung
was
airplane
loud.
ni Kuya, pumunta sa roof.
No, I threw it backwards under my leg and I went flying.
Yeah, because the wind is going this way, Kuya. Yeah, pumunta. Yung kay Zach, you did it. It went over the roof, did it?
Across the house.
As in, pumunta dun sa kabilang bahay, guys. How good is your airplane? You gotta take care of that.
I want to make it.
I think your dad is getting it. Is he? Or no? Yeah. Okay, you can give me another paper.
Pancake, Baba.
I'll make you another one.
No thanks, okay.
But keep that one. That's a really good one, Zach. That goes really far.
Your life like that, okay.
Gusto ni Zach matuto nito. So,
Kasi
is it...
malaya si Tita Ray.
Kaya nga eh, hindi pala marunong yung mama nila nito. Let me just check.
Yung isa nga, yung
Alright.
may...
Cool. Yung?
Yung isa nga, yung sa pakpak, merong parang tinutupi-tupi.
Oh, see.
Ay, hindi ako marunong. Baka mas maganda
Hindi,
yun.
ayoko.
I-try mo lang. No. Other way. Yeah. You're not even following me. You're doing it already. I'm still here. Nakita niyo kasi ito kagabi. Paano kong ginawa? We need scissors. Can you ask for
Yeah.
scissors, please? Thank you.
Well, I had a whole thing going on.
No. See, watch me. Or else your plane's gonna fail. So where are you now? So we're here, and then you cut it. Fold it in the middle like that. And these two needs to meet. Yeah, that way. Good job. So these two ends needs to meet. That way. Let me help
Oh,
you.
you.
See, it has to.
You're blowing my leg.
It has to be straight. Okay, yours is not straight. I'll fix that later.
It's not bad.
Told you to follow me.
I think Dad can get it, right?
Did you really?
It's raining, so it's gonna be buggered anyway.
Yeah. Here we go again. Are you making an Australian airplane or a Filipino one?
Australian.
Australian.
Oh,
Okay.
so, yeah.
What way? This way?
Excuse me,
No,
but
other way.
don't wipe it on the
Oh yeah, eat your breakfast first. Go.
Sorry.
Good bag?
Very good.
And so keep going.
Wow. If I were you, I will eat my breakfast first. Yeah, go ahead.
Ah, I'm sorry.
Hey, Mama.
Oh my god, I'm silly. Excuse me, I'm gonna get knife for your side.
Lucky Baba.
Strawberries.
Is it masarap, Holly?
Here, let me fix you.
With our drive down.
Kami naman ngayon, guys.
Where's the?
Tuna. Tuna din yan, di ba?
Where is the?
Inun-un. At saka prito. Rice. Coffee. Siya. Gusto ba i-try skinny tea? Marami pa ako. Hindi naman yung nakakaano.
Hindi mapait.
Hindi. Try ko. Gamitin mo na yung tumbler na puti.
Spoon sa dad.
Where is it?
1 teaspoon. For what? I wasn't even looking. Where did it go?
Where was that good for?
I don't know.
Yeah. I bet you don't understand.
Nawala na naman yung plane
I
niya.
didn't come down.
I didn't even look. I didn't even look. You gotta watch it. Oi! Is it that one?
Your local MP is one.
Oh, it's not that one.
Little.
Yeah.
It's little. Ayan, dito dan pala yan. Sabi, it's little. Tapos lagyan mo lang ng tubig. Masarap din yan. Pero ako naghahani pa din ako dyan. Pero ikaw okay.
Tapos punuin ko lang siya. Depende na lang.
Ay, hindi puno naman na sobrang puno. Depende sa'yo.
Ganyan.
Or more. Tapos kapag naubos na yung tubig, tapos gusto mo pa uminom,
Pwede ko pa siyang gawin.
pwede mo siya dagdagan pa ng tubig pa.
Mama, hey.
Alam mo? Yeah.
More pa ito. Asa ito.
Ito lang yung pancake na takunan.
Lagyan ko. Sabi niya kanina ayaw niya.
Yung pancake.
Is there like a minister for fisheries or something?
Yeah.
There is?
Push your hand.
Put the permit right here.
Yeah.
Hey, give me that one.
Friday ba ako nag-tea? Or Saturday?
Kahapon. Saturday?
No colon tea. Saturday night.
Saturday. So, every other night yun. So, ano na naman ikaw? Hala po, ngayon. Mamaya.
Ano yung colon tea?
Oo.
Uy,
Kasi
guys.
Saturday eh.
Yung colon tea na pinatay sa akin ni Rayce nung Saturday. Umipek siya sa akin mga Sunday morning, lunch. Sunday lunch.
So big.
Ito, kami can have it later.
Where is Kate Tracker? Well,
What do you not big?
okay.
Is it big or big? Too big?
You want mommy small? Like this? Archie.
Ang big kasi na pagkakat na the rest di ay.
Ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Nasaan yung maliit na sakyan? Bumabagsak na.
Nawala niya. Eh, dito lang siya nagaganon. Kanina pa siya hinahanap sa atin. Paano naman natin malalaman natin yun? Uy, pangit pa yung ano niya.
That's Tito Dan airplane.
No more airplanes.
Hinahanap niya na naman si Tito Dan nag-shower. Where's Tito Dan? Asan si Jan Manay? Nasa labas? Labas? Where's Tito Dan? Go. You can't see him.
Can't see him.
Mabubusong bata. Hala, he's already here, Bob. He's already out. To the room, he went to the room. He went to the room, Baba. What's that, bub?
This is the gun.
You saw him?
This yours?
That's mine. Did you see his feet?
No.
What did you see?
No, no.
Knock, knock.
I know.
I'm gonna take a shower.
Me?
You? Do you wanna take a shower with me?
And my eyes.
Not your eyes, yeah. Kahapon umiyak siya kasi na kapag nilalagyan ng shampoo,
My fish.
ino-open yung eyes.
Did where?
Yes? Fish?
My fish.
What's up, babe?
You fish?
No, a fish.
What's that, babe?
Okay. Okay.
You wanna take a shower?
No,
No.
last night.
Hmm?
Last night.
Last night. Okay. I'll go take a shower. Guys, nakaligo na ako. Nakalip tint na din tayo. Aalis na kami. Iiwan ko si Manay ng konting kulunti kasi nag-work sa kanya. Akala ko talaga hindi mag-work. Matagal nag-work pero nag-work talaga. Nag-ano talaga siya. Ayun alam mo yun?
Natakot ako, nalihang ako. Akala ko nasarap ako ng window. Ng door, sa hangin. Nilak ako na dyan, di ako sa buhan. Tapos pagbukas niya, tawa siya. Naiyak na talaga.
Inano ka niya?
Linak niya
Sinadya niya?
Oo, pero hindi ko na kasi nandito siya sa loob nung pumunta ako ng Tapos ang tagal na mabuhol, matanggal yung buhol. Tapos sabi ko, kuya, yung alam ko mabubuhol. Kasi ko pa.
Iwan kita nito.
Thank
Tapos, bigyan mo kita ng skinny tea para maano mo na.
Binigyan na talaga ako.
Kasi, okay lang naman sa'yo yung skinny tea, diba?
Thank you.
Lagyan mo lang ng honey. Ayan, every other night. Ito, every morning.
Okay, thank you. Ito, pigtatlo tayong dinuguan. Tapos yung...
Dami naman yan, Manay.
Can I put those in a plastic bag?
Yeah.
Thanks. Cool. Any even like a fruit plastic bag, something just any bag will do. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you.
Don't do that again, honey.
Why are you scared?
Hey, Mom! Dad! Look! This
What are
is
you going to do? No one heard you. What are you going to do? How would you escape from there if you're locked in there?
Ito lang yung nag-work sa kanya na napapag-go talaga siya sa toilet. So, iwan natin yan sa kanya. Tsaka yung skinny tea niya.
You let me feel nice and fresh this week.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and then that.
Locked the toilet.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Last one. Now when I drink these ones here, I don't really feel like going to the toilet. So I think you do get it all out of your system. He goes to the toilet 3 times a day.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Shit.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Wow. You don't need it.
No.
Every
No.
day.
No, I've got no problem. Every morning
Yeah.
routine.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Ayun, nag-back na siya
9, 10
ng...
o'clock. I need to go.
No,
Mga
it's
luto
like as soon
niya.
as I get up.
Is it?
Yep.
Salamat, Manay.
Every...
Thank you. Alis na naman kami. Yung buhok ko ano na
No,
yun.
no, don't put that in there.
Thank you, Manay. Thank you, Jan.
No worries at all, right?
Yeah, see you in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yes, 2 weeks. Birthday ni Veronica. Kami punta.
See you again, Baba.
Come staple.
Okay, say see you to Tita Riz and Tita Dan.
Yeah,
Hold on,
tara.
put it down 5 seconds.
That's right, because they're
Yeah,
going.
I need to help you, Manay. I'll put you put the backpack on.
Come here.
Santa, dito na tayo sa...
You're going to Adelaide in 2 weeks.
Let me get my shoes.
14 sleeps. Okay?
You're gonna...
When are we going to Adelaide next week?
Oh yeah, 30 na lang pa.
Kayo naman. Pupunta naman.
Ali, come on, Baba. We're going.
Iniwan ka naman.
Come on. We're
We're
going.
going to take this circle over to Maui.
Huh?
Walang dala sa
Baka parang akala niya sasama siya namin.
In the White House?
No, not next week. Next 2 weeks, you're coming. She thought she was going with us.
People wait.
Here's that.
Some of them,
There you go.
yeah. So I have to go
Wow.
through the old clothes.
Yeah, see? So it.
Yeah.
Ang dami niyang mga ano,
All kids'
pamigay.
clothes or your clothes? Yours? Wow.
Sus, yung ano mo, Tokyo
Are they
Treats,
all-
hindi
are
mo
they
na
all
naman
yours?
nagawa.
Are they all yours?
Most of it,
Shit.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're right,
Uy,
babe.
hindi siya malamig masyado.
Hindi nga, itap sa ganito ako.
Baba, see you to Tita
Bye-bye.
Riz.
Bye.
Love, love,
Hug, love. See you in 2
Oh,
weeks.
that's nice.
Say bye, guys.
Go say bye, guys. Say see ya.
I'll try here because
Say
there's
see you to Tito Dan. Go say see you, Tito. High five na Tito Dan. Tito Dan, Tito Dan.
Fist bump.
Papa, what? Peace.
Okay.
Knuckles, knuckles to Tito Dan.
Naku.
Knuckles.
how.
Thank you, Manay.
Welcome. See you in 2 weeks.
Oo nga. Thank you so much.
Do you want us to take
Where's my
the
hug?
of us?
Oh, hug Tito
Meanie,
Ray.
meanie,
Kuya,
Brian.
see you,
Take the whole
Kuya.
Take the whole
Okay. Tito.
Zaki, where's my hug?
Zachary, hurry up, Zachary.
in the belly. See you, kids.
Thank you, John.
No worries,
Thank
love.
you.
Come back again.
Come back again.
We'll see you again very soon.
Holly, say bye-bye now.
Nakaalis na kami, guys. Siguro mga 2 minutes. Tapos, tumawag si John. Sabi niya, do you want your iPad? Kasi someone left his iPad. Ikaw na talaga. 50, my love. Naiwan niya. Buti na lang. Lapit na pa namin. What if we've been driving for like 2 hours? Will you come back? Yeah. Sila na lang magdala.
We'll be able to
Babalik na.
survive without it.
Yeah, we will survive.
I prefer to have it.
How about like 1 hour?
Nah.
Na? 30 minutes?
Nah.
No?
It'd be good to have a break off it.
Okay. Yun na lang yung ano niya. Yan yung ginagamit namin sa ano sa gabi. Isa lang yung iPad namin kasi hindi naman namin kailangan ng marami. Yan yung ginagamit namin sa gabi manonood ng Netflix. Hindi namin ginagamit yung TV. Ayun. Silly, Tito Dan. Thank you.
Thank you. See you
Bye.
See you, buddy. See you later.
Bye. How many hours have you been driving, Mala? 1 hour and 30 minutes?
Yeah, 1 hour and 30.
Yeah, nandito kami sa first stop namin kasi ihing-ihi na ako dito sa Kingston and then paano din si Dan Pagas. So, toilet lang tayo, guys. Kailangan ko din kunin yung cord ni Dan para makonect niya yung phone niya sa car. Toilet lang ako. Asan yung toilet? Alright, ito. Let's connect your phone, my love. Nakakonect na pala namin tong phone ni Dan. Kailangan niya pumunta sa Subaru para makonect to. Kailangan ng yung totoong talaga cord, yung original cord dapat i-connect sa car. Kasi tinry namin yung ibang cord na hindi galing sa Samsung talaga and hindi siya nag-work. So kailangan original. Maganda kapag naka-connect yung phone kasi lumalabas sa screen yung maps. Alright. Do you want me to drive?
No.
Okay. Just let me know, babe. I'll do this for you, my love. Ako taga-pil ng Maganda to kasi nakakawala ng antok kapag kumakain ng pistachios. Kaya ito lagi yung namin go-to snack. Kasi mag-open ka, kain ka naman. Hindi yung ganun lang. Eh, masarap din talaga siya. It's yummers. So, we will be driving for another 3 hours and 11 minutes. So, with stop, siguro mga 3 hours and 20 minutes. Kasi hindi na kami magpapagas. So, hindi na kami ganun katagal.
Highway B1.
Yun yung malaking lobster, guys. Dadaanan natin. Kita nyo ba? There you go. You're welcome, people. KFC drive-thru tayo, guys. Let's get the wicked wings. Nandito na pala kami sa Adelaide. Nahugasan na din yung car. It's now 5:02 ng hapon.
Can I have a kiss, my love?
Visit talaga itong buang.
I love you, my love.
Karagid. Wicked wings and gravy yung orderin natin.
Hey mate, does the combo mean like the drink and chips and that as well? And gravy?
No potato. Just chips straight.
Okay. Can I go the 10-piece Wicked Wings combo and
Just gravy.
And gravy as well, please. Just gravy. Yeah.
Just plain gravy.
Yes, please.
And what drink we after?
Mountain Dew, please.
That was just regular size.
Yes, please.
17.7.
Thank
Oh,
you.
it's fine.
Oh, that's fine. Thanks. Cool. Thank you.
Check natin yung order natin. Baka mali. Tagal ko na hindi nakakain ito. Wicked Wings na KFC. Minsan na lang kami nagti-take away.
Hello. Thank you. Cheers.
Fish gravy. Minsan kasi binibigay nila potato and gravy. Bahay na kami, guys. Ito yung pinakaunang ginawa ni Dan. Pinakain niya yung mga isda. Kasi walang nagpakain ito from Saturday, Sunday. Friday kami umalis. Pinakain namin sila. Friday, before kami umalis. And then ngayon. So, okay lang naman. They're eating now.
My love, I brought your food in as well.
Yan. Kumakain na sila.
My love, I brought your food in.
Yun yung mga pagkain na binigay ni Manay. Lagay natin yan sa ating freezer. Ayan, pack natin to, guys. Let's do the laundry. Pagalit. Ayan. Yung ginawa ko sa kanya is yung mga hindi namin nagamit. Nilagay ko dun sa... So, yung mga nandito sa loob, mga hindi namin nagamit. So, mga malinis na damit yan. Itong mga to... Yung iba dito actually malinis pero hindi ako sure. So, inano ko na lang siya. Sinama ko na lang siya sa... Ito malinis to pero sinama ko na lang siya sa mga maduming pile. Nalaban natin yan. In fairness sa akin, for the whole weekend na nandun ako kinaman na hindi ko tinouch yung lapi ko. I didn't have to. So, ngayon mag-edit tayo ng thumbnail kasi yung thumbnail ko para video tonight hindi pa natapos. So, yan yung gagawin ko mamaya. Pero, ito, kailangan kong palitan. Kailangan kong mag-laundry. Pagkadating namin, pinakain ni Dan yung mga isda. Tapos ako, nagluto ako ng rice. Kasi yung KFC natin, walang rice. Walang rice yung KFC dito eh. Iba sa Pilipinas. Walang rice. McDonald's, walang rice.